Namaskar. Welcome to this edition of the News Bulletin. In the headlines today, Blast Furnace 1 of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant creates new single-day production record. And have a holistic approach towards environment and resource conservation, advises CEO RSP to departmental environment officers. Now the news in detail. Continuing its record-breaking spree, Rourkela Steel Plant, a unit of Maharatna Company SAIL, has set a new benchmark on 17th August. Its Blast Furnace 1 produced 3,503 tons of hot metal on 17th August 2020, thereby clocking its all-time best single-day performance. With this, the furnace has improved its earlier best single-day production of 3,457 tons achieved on 12th February 2020. Notably, Blast Furnace 1 Parvati, which was the first blast furnace set up under Public Sector of India, had commenced production in 1959. The iconic furnace was rebuilt and upgraded in 2018. With a useful volume of 1,710 cubic meter and working volume of 1,471 cubic meter, the capacity of the furnace has been enhanced to 2,900 tons per day. However, the furnace has been consistently producing 3,000 tons of hot metal per day with a pulverized coal injection (PCI) rate of 100 kg per ton of hot metal. It is worth mentioning here that on 17th August 2020, Blast Furnace 5 and Blast Furnace 1 together produced 11,713 tons of hot metal, which is the second best single-day production with two furnace operation. The success has been achieved due to the concerted efforts of Blast Furnace Collective and noteworthy contributions from coke ovens, sintering plants, raw material handling plant and other associated service departments. It is worth mentioning here that in spite of the enormous challenges of the COVID-19 pandemic, RSP Collective has been successful in creating many a record on several fronts in the recent past. Congratulating the employees on yet another outstanding performance, Mr. Deepak Chatraj, CEO RSP, has said that the performance speaks volumes about the commitment of the RSP Collective. He expressed his confidence that while braving the COVID-19 pandemic, the Steel Plant Collective will scale new peaks of excellence in the coming days with its steely resolve. Have a holistic approach towards environment and resource conservation, advised Mr. Deepak Chatraj, CEO Rourkela Steel Plant, RSP, while addressing the departmental environment officers in a virtual meeting held on 17th August. The meeting was attended by Mr. P.K. Das, ED Works, Mr. Rajveer Singh, EDPNA, Mr. Praveen Nigam, CGM FNA, CGMs, HODs and departmental environmental officers of RSP. Mr. Chatraj congratulated the departments that have installed eco-friendly, innovative engineering solutions pertaining to environment and resource conservation. The CEO further urged the departments for effective operation and maintenance of different wastewater treatment plants. Presentations were made on different aspects of environment management in various plant units. In his concluding remarks, Mr. Das presented an overview of the environmental interventions and efforts made to achieve the targets. He stressed on close coordination among departments and other stakeholders for further improvement in the environment norms. At the outset, Mr. Atish Chandra Sarkar, CGM, Utilities and Environment welcomed the gathering and gave a brief outline of the program. It is worth mentioning here that RSP has recently installed 3 critical environment management projects in Calcining Plant 2, Raw Material Handling Plant and Steel Melting Shop 2 related to fugitive emissions and stack emissions within time. All 3 projects were challenging since they were required to be executed in brownfield without disrupting the normal production. That's all for the news today. Namaskar.